cars, regardless of age, are cosmetically repaired to the same showroom conditions at our state-of-the-art smart repair centres, paint shops and cleaning centres. We repair the interior upholstery in our smart repair centres. We attend to the paintwork in our paint shops. And we correct any imperfections in the bodywork in our body shops. We give each car a full clean before it takes pride of place at our stores and on our website.
With over 300 trained professionals on site to check, prepare and care for every car before sale.